We're back in the kitchen. Look, y'all, we getting right into it. We making some pollo frito. You know what I mean? Some pollo frito. Another way to say fried chicken, y'all. We use no flour, no none of that. You know I like to travel around and use people cooking techniques, y'all. It's a Puerto Rican or, Cuban type of cooking technique. You feel me? No flour. We're gonna boil the drumsticks a little bit, 5-6 minutes. Then we're gonna fry them joints. No flour. We gonna make this marinade though. I seen a lot of people use sofrito, but I live in the mountains in Little Pennsylvania. They ain't got no sofrito out here. And I ain't feel like going to the Walmart getting the cilantro on it. So we just gonna make a nice marinade. We gonna fry it. Y'all style. Come on, y'all. About to get right into it. Show you how to do it. Okay, y'all. And what we gonna do first, before we take any of our seasonings out, we got about, I think it's 12 or 13 drumsticks right here. We're gonna take them. We're gonna slice them down to the bone right here. Boom. Maybe 2 times. Don't gotta do too much. From what I seen, pretty simple, y'all. They just fry chicken better than us. You feel me? And I'm trying to do it like them. I'm trying to do it like them. If you do it good, I'm trying to do it like you. I ain't lying. You trying to figure it out. We're gonna figure it out. Who do it? How you supposed to do it? How's it supposed to be done? Who has the ultimate say so? Chef Bruja, the one that I was watching too when I got the idea. I was like, ooh, I'm gonna make that. Seems easy enough. So shout out to her. I'll go check her channel out. What? I'm definitely not doing it like her. She had hers from her. She do some frito and all that up in there. Next time I do it, I'll do it like that. Maybe I might get some likes. You know what I mean? Nobody love it like that. But look, we go down to the bone. Don't gotta do too much. We'll throw them right back in this bowl. Then we're gonna get our marinade. Mixed up in another bowl. Give me 2 seconds. Be right back at you. Okay, y'all. We ready to hit this marinade up. Now, I'm gonna start with some oil. We got peanut oil. Y'all use olive oil. That's what I would recommend. Is you use some olive oil. I'm gonna get a cup of that. About a cup. We got some lemon juice. Get that a good shake. Lemon juice up in there. Got some adobo. Bootleg adobo. Spice classic, Look, I'll show y'all. Hold on, I have to get that wrapper off of there. Spice Classics adobo, you feel me? Boom. Get a nice amount. Them drumsticks, hey. Go ahead, have them drumsticks bland if you want. That adobo. Get some of this garlic. Like about 3 tablespoons. Like about Tracy. Let me get a lights up to the channel, y'all. I got some Cajun seasoning, some black pepper. What's that singing? Black pepper. A little bit of this Cajun seasoning. Got that spice on it. We're gonna throw some hot sauce in there. Alright. Boom bow. Boom bow bing. Throw some hot sauce up in there. Oh yeah, hold on. Last but not least, we got some garlic powder. Throw some of that in there. We're gonna dab it with some salt too. A little salt. Hold up, y'all. I'm just remembering I ain't chopped no onions up in that joint. Ain't no onions up in there. So we got some dried minced onions. Once they rehydrate. They're gonna rehydrate, get soft, right? it up on our chicken. Heat it up on this chicken, y'all. Put that thing right on there. Feel me? Heat up in that thing. Scared. Put seasonings up in there. Let that thing sit. You can let it sit overnight. Let it sit a couple hours. We're gonna cover this joint. Let this joint sit. Go on that. You feel me? Get our grease ready in the meantime. Between time, y'all. Hit the like, sub to the channel. Ooh, this thing smells good too. Yeah, let's cover that thing up. Go ahead on and make my yellow rice. And yeah, get straight to it. Showing y'all how to do it. Alright. We got our chicken all marinated. We're gonna unwrap these things, right? We got our water boiling. We'll get y'all on over here to the stove. We're gonna boil each of these pieces 5 to 6 minutes, 5 to 7. For real. These drumsticks. Boil them 5 to 7, then we're gonna fry it for 10. Straight up. Just like that. Let's get on over to the stove. Alright, I seen a couple cooks. You know, they put their chicken in the boiling water until the water evaporated, but I got too much chicken, so I'm not gonna overcrowd the pan. I'm just gonna put like 6 pieces, and then I'm gonna put another 6 because we got 12. We got 12 total. Alright. Let me grab the tongs up. Grab the tongs up real quick. We're gonna get right going in a minute. I'll try to keep this skin down as much as we can. We wanna make sure, because you know they're gonna shrivel up anyway, but we wanna make sure we fry it right when we get it from there. They gonna pop the lid on it. No, matter of fact, nah, ain't gonna pop no lid. Oh my goodness, the smell that immediately come from that water. My bad, y'all. Just trying to get this skin pulled down as much as I can. Some more. We gotta return everything back to a boil, of course. Once it get back to the boil how we want it, we're gonna start this timer. 6 minutes. I ain't gonna go over the 6. I don't want to fry it for too long, you know. We got 6 pieces left to fry. I guess that's why we do pop the top. Let's pop the top. Pop the top. Get that thing back up to the boil. We ain't gonna clean it. Let's get it back to the boil. Alright, we back boiling, y'all. Take that off. Hit the timer. 6 minutes. Alright. Right now. See that? Things. 6 minutes. Let's see 1 second. Okay, now boom, y'all. We got our 12-bar drumsticks, nice and pre-boiled. 6 minutes. They still bleeding. I don't know if they supposed to be fully cooked or if they supposed to be pre-boiled. Somebody let me know in the comments. If they supposed to be fully cooked when you making the pollo frito like type of method. If when you take them out the boiling water, they supposed to be completely done, then you just fry them for crisp. Or is it supposed to be like half and half? Let me know, y'all. Let me know. Let me know something. But look, I got mine pre-boiled. All of them got boiled for 6 minutes. I got them on the wire rack. I got my cast iron with my oil in there heating up. I don't know if I'm making vegetable with it, but you know I'm making some white rice. I mean this yellow rice. This yellow rice. I don't know. Might just smash down on this chicken and some yellow rice, but we gonna find out as soon as we get to these plates. But I'm heating this grease up. We're gonna get the frying in 2 seconds. Be right back at y'all. Okay, y'all. I think our grease is up to like 350. Yeah, 350, over 350. We gonna hit like 375 right there. All right,
Now, I know people be saying don't season your grease and all of that. Listen, damn that. I know this garlic gonna burn, but I don't care. I don't care. Boom. I'm gonna drop a little adobo in there too. A little bit. Now, we're gonna drop our first batch. We're gonna go 4s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 3 batches. Alright? Don't pop me, baby. Oh, I'm getting skin side down first. Ooh. I see that getting mean with me. Be careful, y'all. I see that thing getting mean with me. I ain't scared though. We soldiers. Come on. That thing popping all on the camera, y'all. They trying to pop all over us and all that. We ain't trying to hear none of that. But look, we're gonna fry these joints 8 to 10 minutes, alright? 8 to 10. Timer on. Make sure you keep checking them. Look, got a little stickage over there. That's cool. That's cool though. It'll release once once it's fried enough. Don't pull on it. If you don't want to move, don't make it move. You just don't want to burn them. When you feel them frying at the correct rate, see that joint right there, yep. You feel them frying, they frying perfectly fine. You wipe this lens off. Help you all out. Alright, y'all. I'll see y'all in 7 minutes. Alright, halfway through the first batch. I'm gonna just bland stew the second 2. But look, y'all, we've been frying for 8 minutes. You see that blood right there? That's why you can't play with these drumsticks, y'all. Try to make sure them things fried. Just because they look like they fried, don't mean they done. Turn them over a few times. Make sure you don't see no blood. No blood coming out. We marinated them. Don't worry. And I know usually when y'all make y'all pollo frito, y'all got something to throw on them or a sauce or something. I might use this Italian dressing and make me something real quick with this garlic. But we're gonna find out. Let me see. Get these joints all fried up. I'm gonna fry all these chickens up. I'm gonna fry them 8 to 10 minutes a piece. I knew it was gonna be 10, but yeah, I'm gonna fry all these up. Get one out the way. I'm gonna see if I'm gonna make me a dressing or something. If I make me a dressing, y'all see the clip. But if I don't, y'all gonna see plate nuts. Feel me? I'll let y'all in a minute. Alrighty, we're done. The chicks is done. I'll give y'all chicks. Hot! Them things. Nice fried things. Nice fried things. Let's see how they tasting. Let's see how they tasting now.
Sir, yes, sir.
We got an oven glove over here. He's on time. What do you want to know?
see me?
Yes.
Let's grab one. You gotta stand over there, man. I like the skin part.
I like the skin part because it's crispy. It's that ASMR bite.
I don't problem. Look, I told y'all we gonna get into it. I just showed y'all how to do it. Look. Regular fried chicken overrated. All that flour shit overrated. Well, it's overrated. We don't need flour. Pollo frito. Shout out to the Puerto Ricans and everybody up it. Hey, whoever came up with this, you did your damn thing. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Look, hit the like, sub to the channel. I'll see y'all next time.